Welcome, dear one. I am so grateful you're here. Wherever you are, whatever you are going through right now, take this moment to pause and breathe. You've arrived at a sacred space, a space made just for your healing. Whether your wounds are physical, emotional, or spiritual, you are safe here. And you are not alone. Let's begin by gently closing the eyes, softening the shoulders, and taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. One more time, feel the breath enter your body like soft light and release it with calm and peace. Feel your body begin to slow down. Now, place one hand over your heart. Can you feel that steady beat? That's life. That's love. That's your inner wisdom saying, I'm still here. I haven't given up on you. Healing doesn't always look like a grand miracle. Sometimes, it's as quiet as this, just being present, being willing, and being open to receive. Healing is not fixing something broken. You are not broken. You are whole. You are a masterpiece that's simply gone through seasons of life. Some with sunshine, and some with storms. But the storms have not ruined you. They've revealed the strength inside you. Now imagine a soft golden light above your head. It's warm. It's loving. This light represents divine healing energy, the life force that flows through all things. As you breathe in, feel this golden light begin to pour down over your head, gentle, warm, and full of peace. It moves down to your forehead, softening your mind. Any anxious thoughts, any confusion, just let them melt in the light. You don't need to solve everything right now. This moment is not for thinking. It's for healing. Let the light continue down over your face, your jaw, your throat, relaxing you deeper and deeper. Now feel this healing light enter your shoulders, melting away burdens you've been carrying. Maybe you've been holding too much for too long. It's okay to let go now. Let your body rest. Let your energy soften. Let the light move gently through your chest, down your arms, into your hands, filling you with a deep sense of calm. With every breath, this light is restoring you, reviving the parts of you that felt tired, weary, even forgotten. It moves through your belly, your hips, your thighs, down your legs, and into your feet. You are now surrounded and filled with healing light, from head to toe. Let's stay in this space for a moment. Breathing softly, feeling the light, allowing your body to receive. There's nothing you need to force. Just be. Just breathe. Your breath is your anchor. Your breath is your guide. Now, let's speak a simple truth aloud, or silently in your heart. I am open to healing. I am worthy of love. I allow peace to fill every cell of my being. Say it again, and feel the words settle into your heart. This is not just a meditation. This is a remembering of who you truly are. You are not your pain. You are not your past. You are not the opinions of others or the weight of your mistakes. You are light. You are presence. You are life itself. And within you lives a power to heal, to grow, and to rise again. Think of a wound, maybe physical, maybe emotional, that you've been holding on to. Visualize it like a small dark knot in your body. Now, breathe healing light directly into it. Inhale, and imagine that golden energy moving into the wound. Exhale, and see the darkness soften. Again, inhale healing. Exhale release. You don't need to understand how it works. Healing is not always logical. Sometimes it happens quietly, subtly, and mysteriously. Just like seeds blooming underground, your healing is already in motion, even if you can't see it yet. Imagine your body filled with light. Imagine your cells dancing in joy. Imagine your heart glowing with forgiveness. Imagine your mind at peace. This is your natural state. This is who you were before the world taught you to fear, to doubt, or to disconnect. And now, You are returning home. Take a moment and place your hands together over your heart. Whisper a soft thank you to yourself for showing up, for choosing healing, for taking time to care for your soul. You are doing more than enough. Let me remind you, healing doesn't mean you never feel pain. It means you no longer carry it alone. Every time you show up with love, for yourself, for your story, you are healing. You are creating space for new energy, new life, and new peace. Let us affirm together. My body knows how to heal. My heart knows how to love. My soul is ready to rise. Again, my body knows how to heal. My heart knows how to love. My soul is ready to rise. With your next breath, feel the love that surrounds you. Imagine the earth beneath you holding you. Imagine the sky above blessing you. Imagine every cell in your being saying, "Yes, I am healing. I am whole." Begin to slowly bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch if it feels good. And when you are ready, open your eyes softly. You've just gifted yourself something priceless, a moment of real healing. This energy will stay with you. Carry it into your day. Let it guide your choices, your thoughts, your words. And when life feels heavy again, remember, you can always return here. Back to your breath. Back to your light. Thank you for trusting me to guide you. If this healing meditation brought peace to your heart, share it with someone you love. You never know who might need it today. And remember, beautiful soul, you are not alone. You are healing. You are growing. You are loved exactly as you are.